I saw this freeze and I was like, oh no, man. Don't tell me I gotta start over. Okay, let's just jump into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monet. I also go by Mo or Mookie, so pick one. I answer to all three. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is episode 2 of the Entrepreneur Life series on my channel. Let's just go ahead and jump into today's video. So I want to start off by showing you all holiday packaging I bought from my store. So first, let me show you what I use on a regular basis. I use a 9x12 polymailer like this, and a 10x13 polymailer that has this marble print on it in gold metallic design. And I know a lot of you all use the 10x13, and then I use this 14x19 polymailer for larger orders that I don't want to put in a box. So I decided I should have holiday packaging just to spice things up a bit. I also want to show you all this. I don't want to forget. I use lime green tissue paper, so I wrap items that people have purchased, like clothing items. I wrap them in this tissue paper and stuff them into the polymailer that is the appropriate size, or a box. We'll get into boxes in just a second. So I bought some new polymailers. Let me show you all what I got. So the first is this 10x13 polymailer that says, "Hello, I'm what you've been waiting for," and it's written in this gold metallic lettering. These are so cute, and this is 10x13. And then, I'm gonna save the best for last. I have this gorgeous 14x19 polymailer. Look how huge this is. This is great for big orders or for just larger items. So I love it. It's so pretty, y'all. It just looks really luxe to me. You know, when I saw it, I was like, ooh. I was really happy. And they even put on the opposite side a place for you to put the mailing label. So that's the 14x19 one. And then I have this 9x12 one that's holographic, so extra. Y'all know me, I'm extra. So I'm really pumped about this one. So like, if someone orders, say, a top or a dress, that's what I'm gonna put in here, you know? And I even got some metallic tissue paper for this polymailer. And then for the other two, I plan to use just standard white tissue paper to wrap people's items in. So now let's move on to organza bags. When I mail people's accessories, earrings, necklaces, rings, bracelets, I don't send the jewelry card that the vendor sends. And I also put all of the items into an organza bag. So I'll show you an example. So normally I use a purple and metallic organza bag like this that has these metallic butterflies on it. And you see the earrings are in here. Before they go, they'll be on a card though. So this is a 5x7. Or I just use a plain purple one like this. And I have different sizes. And so instead of using my normal organza bags, I thought, let me get some with like a holiday, theme. So I found these that have gold and silver metallic snowflakes, and these are what I plan to use. These are 4x6. I also plan to get some 5x7 for larger earrings, as well as larger necklaces. Oh, these earrings may fit, so I'm just gonna check really fast. This stuff I think is helpful. Ooh, yeah, they fit in here. So the 4x6 do hold a rather large piece of jewelry. So I got these as well. Now let's talk about my custom thank you cards. So normally when I mail orders to customers, I always include a custom thank you flyer that I had made for me and a handwritten thank you note. My store was relaunched on June 19th of this year. So I do not have a store that has 10,000 customers or 100 orders a day. I just don't. So I have time to write out a custom thank you note. And I've received so much positive feedback from doing this, y'all. So I recommend that if you are a newer brand that you try it, because it adds a personal touch to the order and people just think that you're so appreciative. And it's just nice to say, hey, you know, the owner sent me a thank you note, and they really didn't have to do that. I just think that if people are willing to trust me and part ways with their hard-earned money and support my business, I'm really appreciative. So this is the card, one of the cards I use. And this is the handwritten note that you all can't see, so I'll read it real quick. I just say, customers, let's say her name is Brittany, so I'll say, Brittany, thank you so much for supporting my small business. I hope you love maybe she bought earrings. I hope you love your earrings. Use code, and then I've listed the discount code to save 20% on your next order. Please review your purchase online. Thank you again. And I sign it, Mo, Urbanly Chic. So I want to tell you all this. My discount code that I use on these cards is literally the most used discount code on my site to date. So we know we want to generate that return customer percentage. We want that to just be as high as possible, because that's how you really drive consistent revenue. And it works, y'all. This discount code works because it's the most used on my site. I use Shopify as the platform. They're the platform host for my website. And through the analytics, I'm able to see the most used discount code, and this is the most used one. So I highly recommend that you try this, especially if you're a newer brand. In addition to the handwritten note, I also include this flyer, which I had made for me, or that I had made for me. And it says, thank you for shopping with us. Follow and tag us on Instagram at Urbanly Chic, #Urbanly Chic. And I stuff the flyer into a green envelope like this, and I include a sticker on the back of the envelope that has my logo on it. So that's what I normally send to my customers. I decided last week, so when you all see this, maybe it'll be 2 weeks ago, the week of Friday the 13th, November 13th, I decided, I want to have custom thank you cards for the holiday season. And so y'all, I have a subscription to Canva. If you have a business if you have a business period, okay, and you don't have a subscription to Canva, especially one that requires a lot of creativity, if you don't have a subscription to Canva, you need to get one, because I'm covering my address, because it's so good. And you can use Canva to create custom social media posts and things like that, and just custom branding. And it just makes your brand, I think, more professional. It makes your marketing appear to be more professional, and it allows you to add your logo onto stuff. Try it. Try Canva. They have a free trial so you can test it out before paying for the monthly subscription, which is only like $13 a month. So try Canva. So my order, I created custom thank you notes on Canva, okay? And I decided to have them printed. So it comes like this in this box. It says enjoy on the inside. Their packaging is cute. And then there is a sticker, a Canva sticker, as well as thanks for ordering with Canva. There's a thank you note. And then they include your cards in a box like this. It says Canva. And then inside are the thank you notes. And I ordered 100, and which may have been overkill, but you know, you just never know. Maybe I will have 100 orders. You know what I'm saying? We gotta think positively and manifest, you know? So these cards are so cute, y'all, and I'm definitely going to include a close-up of them. I'll insert a screenshot. They say happy holidays, and I'll read the back because you all can't see that. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. Use code THANKYOU30 to save 30% on all your purchases from 01/02/2021 to 03/01/2021. Please review your purchase online and tag us on Instagram at Urbanly Chic. Be blessed and stay safe. And then I'll list my logo and the website. So let's talk about why I listed the date 01, 02, 2021 to 03, 01, 2021. Now we know that after the holiday season, the first quarter of the year tends to be really rough for retail businesses in particular, because people have just went ham spending for the holidays. And so during Q1 of the next year, they don't have a lot of discretionary money to spend on stuff. So I thought it would be wise to include a discount code that incentivizes my customers to return to me during Q1 and save money on their purchase. So it just kind of extends the sales season, and it ensures that hopefully sales won't lag as much as they normally would during Q1. And also, we know we're gonna have discounts and sales all through the holiday season. So the discount code that I normally provide in the handwritten note really is, it's not really useful. It's not really incentivizing anyone to come back, because I'm having sales anyway to incentivize them to come back. You know what I mean? It just seems like a bit of a waste. So this incentivizes them to come back during Q1 to help boost sales during that time. Let me know what y'all think of that idea. So try Canva. If you all want me to do some sort of Canva demonstration, I can try to do that, but there's so many things you can do through their software. They also have an app, a mobile app. There's so many things you can do, and I'm always learning new things about the software. So try them out. Next, I want to show you all some boxes that I am selling on my site. So if you come to the site and you're buying gifts, for example, you may want to be able to easily purchase gift wrapping so that it's like a one-stop shop. So I added some packaging to the gift shop on my site. I saw this freeze and I was like, oh no, man. Don't tell me I gotta start over. Okay, let's just jump into these. So I have these boxes. There's 3 different sizes, and y'all, they're so cute. And it's like a set. It comes in a set, and they're really inexpensive. And people can fit jewelry, bracelets, necklaces, earrings. These even hold some of the headbands on my site. You know, wrap it in tissue paper, boom. Pop the gift in there, and you're good to go. So these say "Let It Snow" with a little penguin on the sleigh, and then I think he's on a sleigh. And then I also have another set like this that says "A Bright and Merry Christmas to You," and they have Christmas trees on them, so that especially during this whole COVID season, if people just want to strictly do all their shopping online, it's there. I even have tissue paper online. So I'm also selling these boxes, which I think would be perfect for earrings. Like, let's just throw these. Say someone bought these. Of course, you add some tissue paper, throw them in there. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. It's so cute. And then they open it up. Hey girl, hey, I got you some earrings. You know, it's such a cute gift. So I also am selling some gift bags on my site, some metallic gift bags like this. There's also some that have snowflakes on them. You can go to the site urbanlychic.com and check them out. While we're at it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thank you so much for y'all support. And lastly, I want to show you all some gifts I am thinking about giving. Well, I'm definitely giving gifts, some free gifts. I am thinking about giving these to my customers if they make a minimum purchase. You know, so if you spend $75 or more, you get a free gift. I may change that. I don't know. I have to decide. I have to make a final decision as to what I'm going to do ASAP because I'm running out of time. But I may just go ahead and provide a free gift with every purchase, you know. But I have to decide ASAP because that needs to be part of my marketing. So I am going to offer these cute door knocker. I'm inserting a clip. These cute door knocker earrings. I have them in gold and silver. And then I'm also going to include these door knockers that are silver as well, but they have the top part is just a little different. And I am going to include these hammered studs. These were so nice. we were talking during my last video about, or I was talking in my last video about vendors and how you don't know about the quality and stuff. I was pleasantly surprised at how nice these are. So I'm giving these as a free gift. And then I'm also going to give these really cute, y'all. And I'm inserting a close-up of these Jersey studs. These are so bomb in person. They come in this pink, iridescent, glittery color. They come in a turquoise color and then this plum with some hints of pink color. So I'm going to offer those as free gifts. And you know what? Maybe I will have a collection on my site just for free gifts and allow my customer to pick their own gift, you know, because I can control the inventory. I can say I only have 50 of this. Once it sells out, you know, and let people pick their own, because some people, they prefer gold over silver and things like that. I also got these, sorry, I got all tongue-tied. I also got these anklets in gold and silver, but y'all, they're kind of whack, so I'm definitely not selling them, because I only sell stuff that I really, really believe in. I have to really love it, you know, because how can I convince people to part ways with their hard-earned money if I'm like, it's like, no, what? Why would I buy that? You know, so I only sell things that I really believe in. These anklets did not really meet my expectations, and I don't even know if I want to give them as a free gift, y'all. They're kind of whack. So what I may do is include them as a second gift. You know, I can give 2 free gifts and just include one of these. I don't know. Y'all, I might end up throwing these away. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these anklets. I thought they were gonna be prettier than they are. They're okay, but they're almost like, they almost feel a little too delicate. Like they're just gonna fall apart or something. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't got time for that. Can't be selling stuff that's not top quality, super bomb. And I'm not selling them, but even giving them, that incentivizes people to come back too if I'm giving them really nice quality stuff, you know? So these may end up being a bust, unfortunately. So let me just check, because I made notes and I want to make sure that I address everything I was supposed to in this video. And it looks like oh yeah, y'all, I got new jewelry cards. So I got these small ones that I was just showing you all on the free gifts. And these are the ones that are fairly new, but they're so large that I was like, and they were not cheap. I was like, I need to just kind of scale down. Like, look how huge these are. And so look at the size difference. So, and they both have my logo on them. So I think that they're a good, nice little branding touch, you know? So I have those as well. That is all I have for this video. Please feel free to share video ideas in the comments. I have a whole list of ideas, including, I'll just share some with y'all real quick. Canva, Facebook ads, Shopify, a Shopify review or pros and cons, things that I like about Shopify, how to make your own emails using Shopify, business registration basics. I need to organize my inventory. Maybe y'all can do that with me. How to. I can tell y'all how I got started, why I shut my store down initially, why I brought it back, how I went about doing that, how much money did it take me to do that, how much do I spend normally, how much do I spend on Facebook ads, all that kind of stuff. I would be more than happy to share with y'all if you're interested. So let me know. If you all don't make suggestions, then I'm gonna roll with my list. But I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for tuning in, and please stay safe and be blessed, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Thank you so much.